Glass bottle packaging is the world's biggest packaging phenomenon. But how do your brand stand out from the peers? Just free your imagination, and we can help to make it. Roetell offers turnkey alternatives of high-performance decoration. Check out the popular decoration procedures in this video and learn how we improve the appearance of your products. Now in my hand is an unfinished glass bottle, and behind me, these are the finished products that have been applied. All transfers are hand applied by our specially trained team. Aligning the position, quickly attach the decal to the bottle surface area. Use the elastic scraper to scratch back and forth to squeeze out water and air, and make sure that the decal is not wrinkled and the pattern is not broken. After that, it needs to be baked to set the shape. Now you can see a 10-meter long oven behind me. That's the baking oven. Here's the finished product. You can see the color and pattern, vivid and eye-catching. The key to accurate color is temperature control. If the temperature is too low, the glaze can't be fully melted and the color looks dull. While if the temperature is too high, the glass bottle will be deformed and the pattern will be scorched. Now we're in the soup printing workshop. It's normal to see multiple colors on a bottle. You can see this bottle is in white, but it's not the full design. Here's the finished one, see? Another color block in light blue. Here's how screen printing works. Ceramic paint is applied directly to the surface of a bottle. Then rotate the bottle and the pattern will be attached on it. Then the bottle is heated through a furnace and the pattern will be fixed on it. Traditional silk printing requires multiple operation if your design is in rich colors. With the automatic silk printing machine, you can wrap the design 360 degrees around the bottle and make 4 colors in one take. Spray paint offers another way to give your glass containers a completely new look. The bottles are spraying with colored powder to form various colors. What you see now is the finished glass bottles transferred through the automatic conveyor belt. Elegant look in metallic ash. Beautiful. With rich color selection, spray paint offers a simple way to give your glass jar a completely new look. Spraying quality is closely related to powder coating equipment. If you're looking for good spraying quality, make sure to ask the manufacturer if their powder coating equipment is the most advanced one. Frosting is another way to improve the quality and feel of your glass bottles, making them look quite unique and elegant. Put the bottle into the bottle holder. Then the bottle will be soaked in a pool with color glazed powder solvent, which is called the exit operation. And then the magic works. You can see the clear bottle became frosted. Roetell provides total or partial frosting effect. Come to Roetell for honest decoration. That's all for today's video. If you want to know more information about glass bottle making, remember to subscribe us. See you next video.